Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving into a meticulously curated list from Ferris Solution to track down the absolute best air compressors on the market. Whether you're gearing up for a cross-country road trip, managing a whole fleet of family bikes, or honestly, just looking for a little peace of mind on your daily commute, we're going to navigate through the top-rated options out there to find the perfect match for your exact needs and your budget.
So let's just get right into it because, well, we've all been there, right? You're cruising along, music's playing, and suddenly you feel that heavy, dreaded thump of a flat tire. Ugh, it's a total stress-inducing nightmare. But here's the good news. Portable air compressor tech has evolved dramatically. You don't have to rely on those clunky, unreliable pumps anymore. The real question is, with so many slick, modern options out there, which one is actually worth taking up precious space in your trunk?
Let's start with Part 1, Budget-Friendly Road Savers. These are your essential, no-nonsense emergency tools. Kicking off our Ferris Solution list, we've got a fantastic bare-bones lifesaver. This generic 150 PSI model is an Amazon's Choice product that plugs straight into your car's 12-volt port. And it's incredibly versatile. It handles cars, bikes, even sports equipment. With over 2,000 of these bought in just the past month alone, it really goes to show that effective emergency prep doesn't have to cost you more than $16.
What's absolutely brilliant here is that even at this rock-bottom price point, you aren't sacrificing modern safety. You're securing crucial features like a digital pressure gauge, an auto shutoff function, which is great to prevent overinflation, and an emergency LED light. That light is absolutely vital if you ever find yourself stuck on the dark shoulder of a highway.
Now, if you want to literally cut the cord without breaking the bank, we hit a major fan favorite, the Astro AI L7 Cordless Mini, coming in at about $22. This model upgrades the whole experience by giving you battery-powered freedom and a really slick digital dual display that makes it super easy to read your target pressure versus your current pressure right at a glance. It still pushes 150 PSI, it's just packed into a highly portable little package.
But what's truly staggering about this one is the sheer volume of sales. I mean, over 20,000 of these Astro AI units were bought in just the past month alone. Wrap your head around that. With a 4.4 out of 5 rating across nearly 14,000 reviews, the data clearly shows us that consumers are absolutely flocking to this cordless mini form factor.
Moving right along to Part 2, the undisputed crowd favorite, bringing you that mid-tier reliability. Transitioning up from the ultra-budget category, we find this iconic yellow Astro AI inflator. Sitting right around $32, this actually flips back to a corded design, featuring a 9.8-foot cable that connects right to your car. It's highly visible, it's incredibly durable, and it comes equipped with a highly accurate digital gauge.
And the social proof on this thing, it is completely undeniable. We're talking about a staggering 105,000 global ratings, maintaining a rock-solid 4.5 out of 5 average. Look, when over 100,000 people weigh in and collectively agree that a tool works flawlessly, you are looking at a certified commuter essential, no question.
So as we move higher up the Ferris Solution list, you really have to start weighing your personal preferences. On one hand, you've got the corded budget models running off your car's 12-volt port. They give you literally infinite runtime as long as your car has power, and they generally sit in that $15 to $32 range. But on the other hand, you have modern cordless tech. Battery-powered, offering you that ultimate, untethered portability so you aren't wrestling with cables in the dark, ranging anywhere from $22 up to $70 or more.
And that brings us to Part 3, Premium Cordless Power for High-End Convenience.
For those of you who prioritize absolute portability and, let's be honest, premium aesthetics, meet the Airmoto. Now, it's a bit more of an investment at roughly $70, but it boasts over 27,000 global ratings. It is sleek, it's modern, and it is highly sought after as a dedicated battery-powered house. It really justifies that near $70 price tag, too. It packs precision digital reading, emergency lighting, and that crucial automatic shutoff function into a completely portable, battery-powered form factor. So whether it's for your car, a motorcycle, a bicycle, or even just sports balls, the Airmoto brings high-end convenience without the hassle of dragging a power cord around.
Finally, sitting at the very top premium tier of our list, we have a true professional-grade powerhouse, the heavy-duty DeWalt 20V Max portable air compressor, coming in at $149. This is an Amazon's Choice product with over 4,000 units bought just recently, and it is built from the ground up for serious, demanding tasks.
Now, quick heads up, it is really important to note that this is sold as a tool-only setup. That means the battery is not included in that $149 price. However, if you are a tradesperson or a dedicated DIYer who's already bought into the DeWalt 20-volt max battery ecosystem, this is the ultimate premium addition to your kit. It features a heavy-duty automatic shutoff and a built-in LED lighting, all leveraging the raw power of DeWalt's 20-volt batteries. Holding the highest overall satisfaction score on our entire list, a massive 4.6 out of 5 from nearly 18,000 reviews, this DeWalt proves a crucial point. Sometimes paying a premium for an established, heavy-duty brand yields absolute, uncompromising reliability exactly when you need it most. So, your perfect inflator awaits. Let's compare and choose.
This matrix perfectly summarizes the Ferris solution guide we've been walking through, from the basic $16 generic black model all the way up to that heavy-duty DeWalt. You can really see the clear technological leaps. By weighing corded reliability against cordless freedom, you can easily pinpoint the exact tier that fits your lifestyle, your vehicle, and your wallet.
So I'll leave you with this thoughts. The next time you hit the road and you hear that awful, dreaded thump, are you rolling the dice? Or do you have one of these trusted inflators safely stored in your trunk, ready to get you back on your way in minutes?
Seriously, don't wait until you are stuck on the side of a dark highway to figure out your game plan. Empower yourself before the next emergency strikes. For more and purchase, visit our website, Ferris Solution. Thanks so much for joining us on this explainer today, and stay safe out there.